So just jumping right in, I'm just taking down the towel. I washed and conditioned her hair with the Avocado line from NaturAll Club, and as you can see, she's more of like the 4C texture. So I'm starting off with blow drying, so I'm going to section off her hair into 4 different sections, just using some butterfly clips. I'm just using my fingers to part, no need to use a comb or anything like that. And she absolutely hates getting her hair done, so she kind of moves with everything that you do. So you're going to see her bobbing her head around. I'm not pulling or anything on her hair. She's just very ridiculous when it comes to getting her hair done. So after I have the butterfly clips in each section, I'm going to spray on the It's a 10 leave-in, and then also a heat protectant from Fantasia. The It's a 10 also has heat protectant, but I figured why have, another one, might as well. So I just put both of those on, smooth it on with my fingers, and then I just comb through with the wide tooth comb. Again, she's gonna be bobbing like I'm doing something to her, but I'm definitely not. And my camera keeps going in and out of focus just because of the lens that I was using, so just bear with me on that. So once all of those sections have all the products in there, I'm just gonna start blow drying. So I'm using my Silverbird blow dryer, which is from Conair, and I'm using it on high heats and I think the medium or low speed. So I'm just going through and blow drying. I have a blow dry video already on my channel, so if you want to watch that, you definitely can. I'll have that up in the cards, but it's pretty much the same thing. I just have a little bit different of a texture than she does. But yeah, I'm just going through, and again, she's moving like I'm doing something. I promise you I'm not. But I'm just going through and making sure that the hair is stretched, as well as just making sure that the roots are dry. I do let her hair, or my hair, whenever I'm doing a blow dry, I let it towel dry for about an hour, and that just kind of cuts down the drying time. She is so extra. And that just kind of helps with the blow dry process to go a little bit quicker. So yeah, I'm just going through and finishing up the blow dry. Her ends were kind of in need of a trim, which I didn't even do for the video, but her ends are still a little bit crinkly when it comes to the blow dry, but that's okay. So I'm spraying on some more of the heat protectant, which you don't really need to because you already had it in the last step, but I went ahead and added a little bit more. And then I'm just putting her hair into a ponytail because I'm going to go ahead and do her back section as well as their sides, just first to kind of get those areas out of the way. So I'm using this serum from Fantasia. It's like a humidity type of thingy to help with humidity and stuff, and also has heat protectant in it. And I'm just using this little mini flat iron. I will try to find the link to it down, and I'll put it down below, but we have had this flat iron for years, like since high school, so I highly doubt they still sell this, but I will try to find it. It's just a little mini one to kind of help you get your roots and your edges and whatnot. So that's all I'm doing, is just getting her edges. Yeah, I'm only getting like the roots. I'm not going down the length of the hair at all because I'm going to use the regular flat iron for that. Then once I get the sides and the back, I'm going to go ahead and section her hair. So I sectioned it into 4 sections, 2 at the top and then 2 kind of in the middle. And now I'm going to go ahead and start flat ironing with the regular flat iron. So I'll leave the flat iron down below. And I really do like this flat iron. I have it on about 400 degrees. It's not that high or anything like that. With each big section, I'm putting on that humidity protectant thingy, the serum, and that's probably where like the steam is coming from, but it's not damaging her hair or anything like that. But yeah, there's gonna be steam. That's just kind of what happens when it comes with flat irons. But yeah, the flat iron isn't up very high or anything like that. And yeah, so I'm pretty much just going through, I'm getting her roots first, and I kind of hit her roots like twice, and then I get the length of the hair once, and that's about it. And then I just keep working my way up. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm just going to brush through with this paddle brush, and I'm brushing her hair to the back so that I can do her front edges. So I'm going back with that smaller straightener and just going around the top perimeter of her hair. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to bump her ends, and that's pretty much it.